What's up, everyone? I'm super excited to share with you a game-changing tool that can revolutionize your business in the next 30 days. AI Review Summary. Never read 500 reviews again. And if you're not doing this, you're leaving money on the table. Let me show you exactly how in 4 points. This tool is called Prime Reviews Pro, and it's an AI-powered review analyzer that saves you hours of research by summarizing what real buyers actually think. With Prime Reviews Pro, you can make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the competition. For instance, imagine being able to analyze 500 reviews in just a few seconds and getting a clear understanding of the product's strengths and weaknesses. Now, let me explain why this matters. Prime Reviews Pro analyzes reviews 10 times faster than manual methods. It detects 90% of fake reviews with ease. This means you can focus on what really matters, which is growing your business and increasing revenue. Prime Reviews Pro uses advanced AI algorithms to detect fake reviews, which is a huge problem for many businesses. For example, a company like Amazon has to deal with thousands of fake reviews every day, and Prime Reviews Pro can help solve this issue. By using Prime Reviews Pro, you can increase customer trust and boost your online reputation, which can lead to a significant increase in sales and revenue. Prime Reviews Pro also allows you to analyze your competitors' reviews, which can give you a significant edge in the market. For instance, you can use Prime Reviews Pro to analyze the reviews of a competitor's product and identify areas where you can improve your own product. This can lead to a 25% increase in sales and a 30% increase in customer satisfaction, which is a significant advantage over your competitors. Prime Reviews Pro provides you with actionable insights that you can use to improve your business. With Prime Reviews Pro, you can get instant summaries of product reviews, which can help you make data-driven decisions. For example, you can use Prime Reviews Pro to identify the most common complaints about a product and address them, which can lead to a significant increase in customer satisfaction and a reduction in returns and refunds. So there you have it, 4 key things you need to know about AI Review Summary and how it can help your business. If this was helpful, smash that subscribe button. Get instant summaries with Prime Reviews Pro, which is the ultimate tool for analyzing product reviews and making data-driven decisions. The link is in the description, so be sure to check it out and start growing your business today. See you in the next one, where we'll be sharing more tips and tricks on how to use AI to boost your business.